Many start, few last. Masakit na katotohanan. Madaling magsimula, madaling maging excited, madaling mag-declare ng goals mo, ng plans mo, ng dreams mo. Pero hindi lahat tumatagal. Hindi lahat nagpapatuloy dito. Hindi lahat nag-i-endure. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi the journey will test you. Again, the journey will test you. The journey will test your faith in life. The journey will test your character. The journey will test your discipline. The journey will test your mindset. The journey will test your consistency. And success, hindi para sa mabilis magsimula, kundi para sa matibay magpatuloy. And this is why you need God. You need God. Hindi mo kayang lumaban mag-isa. Hindi mo kayang magtagal. Kung sa sarili mo lang lakas ang gamit mo, hindi ka magtatagal. Hindi mo kakayanin. Pero kapag si Lord ang foundation mo, kahit gaano kabigat, hindi ka basta bibigay. Hindi ka madaling bumagsak. Hindi ka madaling sumuko na lang. Starting is easy. Finishing is sacred. Hindi yan talento. Hindi yan swerte lang. That's character. That's faith. That's commitment. Kaya tandaan mo marami ang nagsisimula pero kakaunti ang lumalaban hanggang dulo. Be the one who lasts. Be the one who endures. Be the one who finishes the race with fire, with faith, with purpose, and with God. You will.